Huzzah! And welcome back to Nightingale Plays the Witch's House. Let's see here, what did... Oh yeah, the symmetrical rooms. Alright, I went ahead and... Yeah, I just needed it to take the note down, and that's what made the place symmetrical, and the frog wanted to jump back into my pocket, so... The door opened. Victory for us. Oh. Another witch's diary. My father and my mother didn't love me. Yeah, we know you're an angsty teenager. So I X'd them. I've been in this house ever since. Alright, so we already knew from the newspaper back there that you X'd them, if that means kill. Let nothing distract you. Oh. That sounds kind of terrifying, to be honest. Oh well, let's go anyway. Oh. That makes sense. I didn't let anything distract me. Okay. Let's look at this. He's hungry. Can we go back in now and save? Because I kind of want to save. No. It looks like we couldn't. Something's on the other side. I don't like this. No. There's a viewing window the size of your palm. Okay. He's hungry. I don't understand. You there. I can't. Cake. Can't we feed the thing cake? Okay, we can't do anything to any of the stuff in here anymore. Makes sense. You there, cat. Safe. Stop doing that. I keep thinking the X button is the Z button for some reason. Pet the frog. The frog is happy. Do you like frogs? Okay. I just wanted to see if we could drop the frog back off. A jute bag. Look inside. It's filled with dead cats. Oh, jeez. Did you know about that? There's a bunch of dead ewes over there. Okay. Well. We'll just do what I always do. Let's... No, I don't want to read. Oh, maybe we can send the frog in there. Never mind. Oh, no. 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry, frog. That's messed up. You see nothing. You hear nothing. Open the door. Open the door. Oh, the frog's okay. Oh, gosh. Oh. Okay, at least the frog's okay. Save. Alright. So... I know the head moved. I'm not stupid. Or blind. See? I told you! I didn't think! I saw! I'm scared. Okay, that's just my footprints. Go only where one eye is opened. 2 eyes are closed, 2 eyes are closed, 2 eyes are open. Can I force an eye open? No, no. Can I force an eye closed? No. Weird. And I don't have any more items. Go only where one eye is open. Oh. I didn't think that would actually work. Cool. Go in. Ugh. Very creepy. That's creepy too. Interesting. And by interesting, I usually mean terrifying. That's gonna kill me, isn't it? That's gonna kill me. That's so gonna kill me. The door is gonna open. I'm gonna fall into spikes. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna go save. This so amuses me. You think the cat moved. Alright, let's just smack into the wall here. Oh, didn't kill us. Make sound in 4 rooms. This floor is pretty quiet. Okay, so I need to make noise in the rooms in order to be able to leave. Alright. A coat rack. A dresser. Let's bash some teacups together. That's one of the most obnoxious noises ever, just so everybody knows. No. No. What's it say? Play the music box with 12. The Witch's Diary. I asked all the friends who came to my house after that. What is wrong with you? You're like going beyond emo now. Yeah. Okay. Hello. A Jack-in-the-Box. Didn't expect that, but it wasn't really terrible. That was kind of scary. Alright. Small music box. It's missing its key. Don't play. That will probably kill us, given the thing told us we needed to play it with 12. So let's leave. Oh, a jack-o'-lantern! I love jack-o'-lanterns. I'm scared. Let's read the sign first. Blue eyes see the score. Blue. Painting of a black-haired woman. Her gaze goes far into the distance. Some playing cards, eh? Do nothing. Do nothing. It won't open. Alright, let's just smack a pumpkin. Doesn't make much of a sound. Oh, toy soldier with a fake gun. That's good. You need not play. Oh, okay. Interesting. Well, I gotta take a break. We'll figure out how to make noises in the next video. Until then, farewell, and see you next time for another adventure.